Good day, curious minds. Before we dive into today's intriguing topic, remember to hit that subscribe button and join our What If YouTube channel community. Our channel is keenly focused on exploring scientific scenarios and their implications, providing a platform where curiosity meets knowledge. Today, we're about to embark on a journey into a hypothetical world, a world where the Earth has stopped rotating. So, what do you think might happen if our planet just decided to stop spinning on its axis? Let's unlock this mystery together. Imagine a world where one half is perpetually bathed in sunlight while the other is plunged into eternal darkness. If our planet were to stop its dance around its axis, this would be our reality. On the sunlit side, the constant exposure to the sun would create an unbearable inferno. Oceans might boil away and land could become a scorched wasteland. On the flip side, the eternal night would plunge the other half of our world into a freezing, dark abyss. Here, the absence of warmth could turn oceans into ice fields and landscapes into frozen tundras. These drastic temperature changes would lead to the collapse of ecosystems. Plants and animals adapted to the rhythm of day and night would struggle to survive in these extreme conditions. This new world would be inhospitable to life as we know it. In short, the Earth would become a planet of extremes, a far cry from the life-sustaining world we know today. We've talked about the wild climate changes, but what about our oceans and our atmosphere? Picture our planet spinning on its axis, creating a centrifugal force that bulges the oceans at the equator. This force is so strong that it actually changes the shape of our planet, making it an oblate spheroid rather than a perfect sphere. Now imagine if that rotation ceased. The water held at the equator by centrifugal force would begin to redistribute towards the poles. This massive shift would result in the creation of gigantic continents encircling the equator and vast new oceans at the poles. But it's not just our oceans that would be affected. The Earth's rotation also plays a critical role in our atmosphere, influencing wind patterns across the globe. These patterns, known as trade winds, westerlies, and polar easterlies, are all a product of our spinning Earth. If our planet stopped rotating, these wind patterns would change dramatically. Without the Coriolis effect, which is caused by the Earth's rotation, the winds would blow from the poles to the equator in a straight line, leading to catastrophic winds and storms of an unprecedented scale. With oceans and winds gone wild, our planet would be a drastically different, and much more hostile, place. Imagine living in a world where the very forces that once made life possible now threaten it. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? So we've explored a world without rotation, and it's clear, we should be thankful our Earth keeps spinning. Without our planet's steady twirl, we'd face drastic climate changes, with one side of Earth in perpetual daylight, the other trapped in an eternal night. Imagine temperatures hot enough to boil oceans on one side, and a frozen wasteland on the other. The cessation of Earth's rotation wouldn't just affect the climate. Our oceans would redistribute, gathering at the poles and leaving a massive landmass around the equator. This would dramatically alter the planet's geography and ecosystems, and let's not forget the catastrophic winds. As the Earth's atmosphere continues to spin while the planet stops, we'd experience winds at unimaginable speeds causing widespread devastation. The rotation of the Earth, it turns out, is vital for life as we know it. While it's fascinating to think about what-if scenarios, this is one we're glad remains in the realm of science fiction. Remember to subscribe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world of what if with us.